Penfold to be seen. He was actually here in Japan about a day or two ago for a Maserati event, and then he kind of just left us, so. Get the shot, get the B-roll footage, man, get the B-roll footage. Tunnel's coming. Do you have it or what? Oh, and it's gone, guys. This is all rubbish here.
That's rubbish. Yeah.
You have to sort out our
just rubbish.
Just throw it all in there.
No.
No. Oh. Easy. Be careful.
Do I need to put the cover?
Yes, the cap. The cap goes in there. The bottle goes in there. The rest is rubbish. So, good job. Good job. This is slowly turning into a food channel, guys. Check out the food. This costs a solid $8 US right here. You get noodles, rice, dumplings that Straman doesn't even like to eat.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. That's right, guys. Bought ourselves a spirit animal for this road trip. We need a name for the cat. Alex? We'll call Penfold.
Divafold.
Divafold. I like Divafold. Alright guys, we're currently here at Suzuka Circuit. Someone has just landed in their freaking helicopter. Check this out, hold on. Oh my god. Want to win and make an entrance. We got the Supercar parking lot over there. We're here for the Suzuka Sound of Engine for the next 2 days. I'm gonna put my backpack down right here, hold on. It's blown over the Richard Mille or Mill. Dude, check this out. We got free tires right over here. Please take. That's awesome. Someone's picked up a free tire. Nice. Supercar lot right here. There's one of them right here, and there's another one behind those garages right over there. We got a Koenig Special Testarossa. This thing, man, look at this. They don't make cars like this, or at least kits like this anymore. This is something else. Check out the engine bay right here. It's see-through. That is insane. This Koenig Special Testarossa is quite the hit with the Japanese crowd here. Oh my goodness, hold on. That's cool. Holy. Whoa, this is something else. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's like a matte, glittery finish to it on the entire car, not just the purple bits. Oh, it's got the bejeweled, bedazzled Lamborghini logo. Pretty standard here in Japan, but the whole thing here, are you guys picking this up? Or are you guys seeing this? The whole car, even the wheels. Check that out. Holy smokes. I've seen like cars partially wrapped in this fashion, but not the entire thing. Alright, I was saying there's quite a few cars running amok here. We're gonna come back to all these very, very soon. A yellow Senna just showed up right over there. Let's check it out. Ooh, we got a Lotus GT410 Sport. And everyone's favorite car, the Senna, and it looks to be the lift is up, I think. Of course, got the see-through canopy glass window right over there. What are you guys' thoughts on the McLaren Senna in yellow? but it's gonna be pretty sick. Oh, get the rolling start. There it is. I don't know if you guys just see that. There was some flame action going on there. 4-rotary engine, Mazda 787B, baby. Holy smokes. Head-to-head, dude. Mazda 787B, 4-rotary engine. Crazy sound here at the Sound Engine, guys. My goodness. But, dude, that car won Le Mans back in 1991. It was the first time they used rotary engine, and it was the last. They changed the rules, and that was that. Supercar lot here isn't completely full, but we got a pretty nice selection of cars here. Performante, very nice. Fourth a roof CTR3 in dark green. Nice little Aston, standard Ferrari, but you guys got to check this out. Flip paint, Lamborghini Countach with a wing straight down on the middle right there. Looks like they're currently doing the Supercar and Hypercar parade lap here. Let the camera focus in a little bit. Got the Senna on track. All right. Got the cars taking off one by one. We got the roof CTR3 in green there, but one of them is not a supercar. Oh. There they go. Guys, we're getting the VIP media service here. Got the media one event pass. Basically, we go anywhere and everywhere here on the track. That's general seating right there beyond the gates or the fencing. Anywhere where there's tires, where there's a gap here, we can stand. So let's get you guys some footage. Here we go. This 458 here, honestly, is the best sounding car. Wait for it, wait for it. CTR3. Dude, that Carrera RS is so quiet. There we go. And of course, everyone's favorite, we got the Ghibli. Something else. You're never going to see anything like that in the States, let alone anywhere else in the world except in Japan. So, man, that is so cool. Of course, AMG GTR, we got the McLarens, the Aventadors, and of course, Rolls-Royce tracking it on the Suzuka circuit here. We got the Apollo IE here, making a guest appearance at the Suzuka Sound of Engine, baby. Second Supercar group. This is very reminiscent of the Shanghai track day 2 years ago for the super OG subscribers. Got the McLaren Senna right up there and a white Carrera GT. Zoom in, enhance, and focus. Perfect. Yeah, my focusing mechanism, the lens is a little bit shaky right now. I dropped this camera one too many times, but hopefully these cars do floor it. So it's pretty interesting how the Japanese are doing here. They're staggering all the cars. Half of them have left, but they've been leaving in like small groups of like 10 cars. But this group has way more supercars than the first one. Now at the Shanghai track day, it was literally a free-for-all. If I can find a clip of it, I'll put it right here, guys. You guys gotta check out the video. Look at that wing. Dude, forget the 488. Totally forget that car. The 458 with that exhaust, anytime, man. You guys can't see it, but the first cars that left have already left. So they're just waiting. Come on, let's speed it up, guys. Let's go. Bentayga? Holy smokes. I'm not gonna lie, the Senna is pretty damn quiet. P1 sounds so much better, guys. Trust me. Carrera GT. It's a clean sound. We need straight pipes though. This was for all you McLaren fans. I thought we were at the sound of engine. Yeah, it's pretty damn quiet. I'm seeing some sort of smoke here. Not sure if that's supposed to happen, but guys, what oh my goodness. Yes, sirree. We're just up here chilling, just admiring the crowds here around the Apollo IE. It is definitely a crowd pleaser. Check that out. And of course, we've got all the old school Ferraris and Lamborghinis and what have you, all lined up for the time travel parade. So that's probably the final thing for today. But man, this is the first time the Apollo IE has arrived or being showcased here in Japan. So people are definitely loving it.